Hello, you are watching our final project for UIUC ECE 385 Digital System Lab. As you can see, we implemented a two-player pool game using D10 Lite FPGA and NIOS II. The rule we implemented is a simplified version of a real classical 8-ball game you can play at any bars. Two players, player 1 and player 2, play alternatively, and the first player who scored 8 balls won the game. For video demo purpose, I temporarily changed the winning condition from 8 ball to 2 balls. If any one of them hits the white ball in the pocket, his opponent instantly wins. We have made a scoreboard, power bars, and the winning information along with the tables through VGA display on FPGA. All the other parts are self-explanatory within the video. Players can use key A and D to change the hitting speed, and use W and S to decide the hitting angle, and then use the space to make the hit. The code for this game includes two parts. There's hardware code in SystemVerilog, and there's software code in C. We use the software code in NIOS II only for delivering the keycode from the USB keyboard. As the ball collides, all the ball collisions, bouncing, and the graphics are done within SystemVerilog only. Due to the limitation of SystemVerilog, we design and implement a pseudo floating number model for calculating the precise speed and position. We designed the square root module for calculating unit vectors, and a trigonometry model for displaying the rotating rod with the fake sine and cosine. The state machine for controlling the whole game contains only one model for calculating collisions between any two balls, and then we managed to reuse this module for 120 times in one clock cycle, because we need 15 times 16 divided by 2 collisions happening in every refresh. Actually, we implement all the physics module of inelastic collision between balls and between every 2 balls, and then we implement the friction between balls and table to slow the ball down. After this, we solved a very key problem for using linear algebra to display a rotating rod of predetermined length and thickness to ensure that everything in our game looks realistic and smooth. As the two players are playing the game, you can see that our game is very it's well done, and we're very satisfied with our results.